Welcome to Adequate Mind student. So, I'm Sanjeev Kaushik, your organic chemistry teacher. So, as usually, we are solving the previous year JEE Mains question. So, here we are doing all things, all the solution we are giving you with conceptually. Okay, that's why uh, you can get benefit from our video. Okay, so let's start. Okay. So just see in the following structure, we have to find out the structure A and the structure B, right? So these are the options. So all options there are two compound, okay? Because we have to find out A and B. So student C, here HBr is given, right? HBr is given. So we know that oxygen have a lone pair. Here oxygen have a lone pair, and HBr will be in this form. This will provide H plus and bromide ion, right? And this H plus attach at this position, okay? And it form compound like this, okay? This compound will form because here space is very limited. That's why I'm writing small structure. So this is structure, okay? So this is a structure. And oxygen have a positive charge because H plus attached with oxygen. So lone pair convert into a bond. Okay, that's why a positive charge appear on the oxygen, right? Now here we have bromide ion, right? Bromide ion. Now here also we are getting this. So when we heat, bonds will break. Either this bond will break or this bond will break. But due to positive charge appear on this bond have some partial positive partial double bond. This bond has some partial double bond. That's why this bond cannot be break. Also because we have not much energy, so that we cannot break this bond, right? So only this bond can be break, right? Only this bond can be break. Hello. Okay. So here this bond will break. Okay. So what will happen? So here we have also CH2Br. Okay. So the product will form like this. Okay. So this will be product. So this product will form. So this is product A. Now this product passes through sodium ether. Sodium ether. Ether is a solvent. Okay. Ether solvent. We know that ether is a aprotic solvent. So here sodium will actually this is a very standard reaction. When we alkyl halide in the presence of sodium ether, so this is a Wurtz reaction. So it will form alkane like a structure. Okay. So sodium will provide electron. Okay. This will provide electron, and this electron will attack on this carbon. And another atom of sodium also provide sodium plus an electron. This electron also attack on this carbon. After attacking the electron, there is a free radical formation on this position, and this position also provide radical will eliminate, will form. Okay. So this have structure like this. So it will form structure like this. So this is a structure. 1, 2, 3. So this is a radical. Also this is a radical, free radical. So now these two radicals combine to each other, okay, and form a bond. So when these two meet, then this structure will form. This structure. Okay, so we can say that the option. So according to this option, so we can say that this is our correct option, right?